Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Inspire 3 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this smartband with the iPhone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on the smartband, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the touch sensitive buttons on the sides of the smartband. We have the one on the right and one on the left, and basically you need to press and hold them, or you can plug in the smartband into a charger, and once you plug it into a charger it should turn on automatically. Okay, and after the smartband turns on, you will need to download and install the FITBIT application on your iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on your iPhone. Once you do, open the App Store. In the App Store, tap on the search icon right here, and then tap on the search bar and type in FITBIT. Then tap on search, scroll through the list of applications, find the FITBIT application, FITBIT Health and Fitness, tap on it, tap on the get button to download and install the application. And once the application is done installing, tap on the open button to open it. Once the application opens, you may get a couple of pop-ups about the permissions, like this one, the Bluetooth permission, and this one is required, so tap on OK to confirm or allow it. And once you're done with the permissions, you should see this page, which is login page. Basically we need to log in into a FITBIT account. If you don't have an account, tap on join FITBIT. If you have an account, tap on login. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap on login. Tap right here, enter email address and password, and then tap on login. After you log in, you probably will get another pop-up about the permissions. This one is for notifications. So basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the smartband, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. And once you're done with the permissions, you should see the today page of the app. Now tap on the profile icon in the top left corner to open the profile page. On this page, tap on set up a device. Scroll through the list of devices, find the Inspire 3 and tap on it to select it. Then tap on setup, scroll down, tap on I accept. Now tap on next, or charge your band before you continue. Mine is charged, so I don't need to. Tap next, wait until the app detects your watch, and once it does, you will need to enter the code from your smartband, so 7624. If you see this pop-up, tap on pair. You can allow or deny again the permission for the notifications. I'm just gonna allow it, and here we can purchase some kind of subscription. I'm just gonna tap on not now, and here we can learn about the irregular rhythm of heart rate notifications. You can tap on learn more to see what it's about. I'm just gonna tap on skip, tap next, 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 and next. Just keeps tapping on next to go through the tutorial on how to use the device. And once you're done with the tutorial, you can tap on done, and then you can also buy another premium subscription if you want to. I'm just gonna tap on X right here to skip this. And once you skip the premium membership, you will see, or if you buy it, of course, depending on what you like. But once you're done dealing with the subscription, you will see the profile page again, and you will see your Inspire 3 right here on the list of devices. You can tap on it, and here you can basically customize a couple settings for your band. And once you see the device page for Inspire 3, it means that the devices are paired together, and when you wake up the screen on your band, you will be able to use it. Okay, and that's how you pair this smartband with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.